You may have heard, or even believe, that leg workouts can boost testosterone levels more than other exercises. In this video, we're diving into decades of research to find out just how true that really is. Here's what you need to know for your gains. Leg training versus other workouts. 1. The 1983 breakthrough. 40 lifters, 20 men, 20 women did 30 minutes of heavy weight lifting, lat pull-downs, bench press, curls, leg press. The men experienced a 21.6% boost in testosterone right after exercising, whereas women experienced a non-significant 16.7% boost. But testosterone levels returned to baseline levels within 30 minutes in both the genders. Leg presses included as part of the circuit evoked acute hormonal reactions, but no long-term hormone changes were observed. A 2020 trial found no arm growth difference in exercising arms with or without extra leg exercises, which raised growth hormone 2x as much. Testosterone's role is permissive, not causal. It supports muscle repair but doesn't drive growth alone. The big picture. Why leg day is not a magic bullet. 1. Transient versus chronic effects. Intense leg exercise, specifically squats at 80% 1 RM, induces acute peaks in testosterone, but levels crash within hours. The 1983 study demonstrated no cumulative testosterone rise over 10 weeks, agreeing with contemporary evidence that hormonal windows are exaggerated. 2. Gender differences matter. Men have 10x more baseline testosterone than women, yet both sexes gain strength equally with training. Women's muscle growth depends less on IGF-1 signaling and neural adaptations, rather than acute spikes in testosterone. 3. Metabolic stress does not equal hormonal superiority. Leg burnouts 15 reps at 60% maximum increase GH levels more than weightlifting, but Schoenfeld's analysis adds. GH's primary post-exercise role is likely fuel mobilization, not muscle growth. Testosterone's short burst is like revving a car engine, it doesn't translate into driving faster overall. Practical takeaways. 1. Prioritize progressive overload. A 2-5% weekly strength increase beats chasing hormonal highs. 2. Pair leg days strategically. Heavy squats do result in acute testosterone release, which can aid in recovery if followed up with upper body exercise. But studies find no extra arm growth from this tactic. 3. Sleep and protein first. A 2023 meta-analysis confirms sleep quality and daily protein intake, 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram per day, affect testosterone and muscle gain 5x more than training timing. Leg day does temporarily increase testosterone more than bicep curls, but it doesn't make a difference in the long run for gains. Both the 1983 and 2012 studies concur that hormones are secondary players, not the star. Regardless of whether you heavy squat, lunge, or forego legs altogether, consistency trumps chasing hormonal fireworks. Train legs for stronger legs, not legendary testosterone gains. Your gains are dependent on effort, food, and recovery, not temporary hormone spikes. So next time you hear someone say that in a conversation, you'll have some solid facts to share. Stay tuned, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.